Good noon mga kamikaw. For today's video, we get a taste again an Indian food for our lunch. So I want to introduce for you the food. This food known to them as salad with fried chili. This is the rice kheer. This is made from rice, and then this is paneer. It's like tofu for us, vegetables, potato, and ground vegetables, and then this is dessert. This dessert is made from cashew nuts and then milk with cream sweetened by the condensed milk. So let's taste this one. And so we try first this rice kheer, but full of oil, and then make some dip in the vegetable. Sa to apa ni murag aprikada or giniling siya, mura siya giniling. Nakudya rasa lagi siya giniling, na patatas, tapos beef ang disubak. This one, potato, with cardamom, isa pa itong ginatawag nila, dagan mo sila spices dito dun. The other side, tilawan na ito yun sa pamilasa niya. Same, wala na sa giniling na baka, giniling patatas. So mga nilang uso diri yan ni pagkaw ni mo sausaw ni mo magilang sud andre sausaw kanin paner yan yun. Yang unod murag chicken, pero tofu pero made in cheese daw ni. Morning nila made in cheese. Tapos dali lagi ko nasanay sa Pilipinas, wag ko nasanay magkaon og raw nga carrots, pero diri na inainay na ko to, na practice na ako magkaon og carrots. Dami man dito siya, hindi na nasanay wala dyan. Tilawan na to unya ang ilang dessert kung saan lasa to, di ba? Naging cashew nuts, cream, tapos condensed mo itong nilamit na sweetener. I-try na to niya. Sekarang kaon sa ta. Ang tawag pala nito sa kanila, itong klaseng dessert na to, inindi rice kheer in Kerala, Malayalam, payasam. This is made from rice, cow milk, and then sugar for sweetener. Indian is so much love to eat rice. Even dessert is made from rice. So we're gonna taste this one. It's like what do you call rice cake to us, but the taste is like the cow milk is very strong. So, okay. Delicious also. So thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe like, and share, and click the notification bell for my new video. Thank you guys, and thank you mga kamikaw. Bye.